Look at yourself. You say you can't focus, but you can focus on porn, games, rage clips, and drama for hours. So don't diagnose yourself with broken brain. You trained your brain to chase hits, and it's costing you your future, because the man who can't focus can't build anything. And here's the truth. You already know this. You're not unfocused. You're hijacked. You sit down to work, and within 90 seconds your hand reaches for your phone like it's possessed. You open a tab for research, and suddenly you're 14 tabs deep, reading nothing, retaining nothing. You try to study, and your brain starts itching like boredom is pain, so you take a break that turns into an hour. Then you wake up already behind because you started the day with stimulation. Now everything else feels slow and pointless. Then you can't finish tasks, so you start hating yourself, and you escape into more stimulation. Uncomfortable truth, you don't have an attention problem. You have a comfort addiction. Here's what nobody tells you. Apps are built like slot machines. Variable rewards keep you checking because the next hit might be better. And switching tasks leaves attention residue. Part of your brain stays stuck on the last thing, so your performance drops. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to give you a reconditioning plan. In the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you 6 steps to rebuild focus in 14 days. Not motivation, not inspiration. Discipline. You execute it, your brain adapts. And listen, day 3 is where weak men quit, because withdrawal feels like boredom. 1. Delete variable reward from your morning. The problem is simple. If you start your day with stimulation, your brain demands novelty all day. Variable reward loops condition compulsive checking, like gambling mechanics. So do this. First 30 minutes after waking. No feeds, no shorts, no porn, no news. Your phone stays outside the room or in a drawer. Replace it with a cold start, drink water, move your body for 2 minutes, then write a 3-bullet plan. Ignore this and you'll crave dopamine all day like an addict. Win the morning, or your brain owns you. 2. The 1-tab rule. The problem, tab hopping makes you feel busy while you do nothing. Task switching creates attention residue. Your mind doesn't fully move on, so you work at half power. So execute. Work equals 1 tab and 1 document. If you need something else, you write it on a later list. You don't click. Full screen the task. Hide bookmarks. Remove visual triggers. Break this and you stay a permanent beginner. 1 target, 1 kill. 3. Notification 0. The problem, every ping resets your focus and weakens impulse control. Notifications disrupt cognitive control and attention. Your phone is literally training you to flinch. So do this right now. Turn off every notification except calls and texts from key people. Set 2 check windows, midday and evening. During work blocks, grayscale or focus mode on. Keep pings on and you'll never feel locked in. If it can interrupt you, it controls you. But here's the real problem. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to escape. 4. Boredom training. The problem, you panic the moment life gets quiet. Constant stimulation lowers your boredom tolerance. Training boredom rebuilds your ability to stay with one thing. So, daily, 10 minutes, sit or stand with no input. No music, no scrolling. When urges hit, label it craving. Breathe slow. Don't negotiate. By day 7, increase to 15 minutes. Skip this and you'll keep needing escapes to function. Boredom is the gym for focus. 5. Distraction capture. The problem, random impulses hijack you mid-task. If then planning automates your response under temptation. So write this and use it. If I want to check my phone, then I write the urge and wait 60 seconds. Keep a notepad open. Dump every distracting thought. Then return to the task. After the block, review the list once, not during. No system means you rely on willpower, and willpower loses. You don't rise to intentions. You fall to systems. 6. 14-day progressive focus blocks. The problem, you try to lock in for hours, fail, then quit. Focus is conditioned. Gradual load builds capacity like strength training. Days 1 to 3, 20 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. No phone breaks. Days 4 to 7, 30 and 5. Days 8 to 14, 45 and 10. Break rule is simple. Walk, stretch, water. No dopamine hits. Go too hard and you burn out. Go too soft and nothing changes. Progressive overload turns boys into machines. And here's your mini warning. By day 10, your brain will beg for distractions. That's the rewiring happening. That's the old you dying. These aren't productivity tips. This is identity reconstruction. Most men live as stimulus slaves, reacting all day. You're becoming the man who chooses one mission and finishes it. Not motivation. Not inspiration. Discipline. Comment focus back if you're done being controlled by urges. Subscribe to this channel if you want discipline built like a weapon. Cold, repeatable, real.